What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for all of your continued support through all of these endeavors that we have. We have a lot more coming up for you guys, so be sure, if you're not already, be sure to subscribe, because there's gonna be some good stuff coming. But today, we're gonna be doing some more work on the RX-7. So, let's get into it. All right, so Connor and Clive both scoured Los Angeles for brakes for this car, and they found them.
Not that we couldn't get them, but we wanted them today.
Yeah, nothing better
We wanted them now
than Ray Bestos. They tried to distance themselves from the name Asbestos, and they changed their name in 1982. And so these bad boys right here were made in probably 1981.
Just like
This car.
Swing.
So it was like, oh man, yeah, these discounted or something? I don't want to pay full price for these. Look like they've been here for 30 years. It's like, oh no, they're discounted.
Oh no, heavily.
The one part of your car you want to make sure is always discounted and you get a good price on is your brakes.
Yeah, sure.
and these bad boys.
These are on sale. They don't work well.
These bad boys.
$8 whole.
$8. Let's see if they.
The red. That makes them faster. Something. They make them stop quicker.
Makes them faster.
Make them stop quicker.
All right, let's put them on.
What? You want?
So, what? These brake pads are not right? These are not the right ones?
No. They waited 40 years on the shelf and they're wrong.
And they are not
That is.
the same. But
The front ones.
now we have the front ones on, and we're gonna bleed the brakes, a whole new brake line and everything like that. And then I don't know what else. Maybe take her for a test rip. I don't know though. Well, since we can't finish the brake job,
We're gonna finish it.
we're just gonna put on new lines
Yeah.
on the fronts, not on the backs.
Yeah.
I did forget about that. Yeah. We don't have the brake pads.
We don't have the pads. So what are we doing now? What are we doing?
We're gonna just take off these top lines right here, so we can change the brake lines underneath, and then change the master cylinder while we're up here. Connor's gonna do that right there.
New brake booster is going in as we speak.
It's not though.
What is
It
that?
is?
Master cylinder.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Okay.
Screaming it's not. What are you fucking doing?
New master cylinder is going in as we speak.
You got a new brake booster for me? That'd be sick.
Clive, what are you doing over there?
I'm just putting in a throttle return spring wherever I feel like,
Why wherever you feel like?
because I feel like it's a good spot, man.
Got room. That's probably pretty good.
Definitely.
Are you allowed to buy beer, Clive?
Am I allowed to?
Yeah. You're looking a lot like a minor right now.
Hated that.
So, we just raised the car because we're going to bleed the brake lines. We just put a new, what is it called?
Brake master cylinder.
Master cylinder?
Yep.
Not a brake booster?
No.
Master cylinder.
Why are you up there?
Because I got it. Because we're bleeding the brakes, man.
Oh.
All right. So to bleed a brake system, you're gonna need someone usually in the car to push down the brake pedal. That's one way. There's different ways to do it. And usually when you bleed a system, you start from the furthest caliper away from the reservoir or brake master cylinder. So since it's right here, driver's side in the front, we'll start with back rear. And you pump it up until you get the airline pushed out, and then you hold it down and you crack it. And you get some fluid, some air out of there. And then once just solid fluid comes out and no air, you move on to the next one. So we gotta start.
Let's do it.
Ooh, a little air out too. All right, stop. Just gotta make sure that the reservoir is not run out.
Yeah.
Ugh.
You can probably see it from there, no?
No.
All right.
What? Oh, what's up? It is not empty at all.
All right, cool, man. We're gonna keep on trucking, then. All right. This one's bled out all the ways. And it seems to be coming out pretty clear. Let's move on to the next one. Just keep bumping it.
How high was filled there, Ryan?
Does this remind you of something?
No, it doesn't. What does it remind you of?
Doing brakes.
You're so stupid. Oh! There goes that.
Down.
All right, so as a recap of what we did on this car today. All right, so as a recap. What are you doing? What are you doing? You like to fuck with everything all the fucking time. All right, so as a recap of what we did on the RX-7 today, Connor.
Master cylinder, new brake lines. We cinched up the fuel line and we bled the brakes as best we could.
We did new pads on the front, new brake lines, like you said.
Yeah.
We didn't do rear brake lines, did we? No.
No.
Couldn't find those.
Couldn't find them.
Oh. Well.
Oh, did you tell them about the brake pads?
Yes, I did. But other than that, you guys know what we're saying, right? On 3, 1, 2. Yeah, 3. We out!